Oh my God, you guys. I am trying to make my last and final Lowe's and Home Depot runs to finish this bus, and I refuse to have to come back to town again. So I have got so much wood packed through here. I've got 2 feet wings hanging out the sides of my car on either side. People are staring at me. People are coming over and asking me if they, if they can bring it for me. And obviously I'm an hour drive. That is a ridiculous amount of a way out of somebody's day. So of course, I tell them no. And plus, I like the challenge of trying to make shit fit where it don't fit. I just hope I don't get pulled over today. I've already been pulled over once because my freaking tag's been expired since November and I forgot to register it. So I've been driving around for the last couple months with an expired tag. Man, I'm just hoping I don't whack a mailbox or a person or... Oh my gosh, this is crazy. So I made it to my mom's, and in case you were wondering, this is everything that I have packed inside my car. These are all 8-foot boards. 2x4s, 1, 2, 3. And then I have 1x4, 2 of those. This is like a 1x6. This is a 1x2. And this is a 1x4, I think. So, okay, there. Much better. There we go. It fits. Yay. Now I don't have 2-foot wings sticking out on either side. I feel better with that. All right, so I made it, and I just put the boards up here, and this is only 6 foot, and I got 8-foot boards, which is fine. I can cut them. So I guess that's what I'm gonna do. And my plan is to build like a little U-shaped type deal, and then attach it to here from the back end. And then if I need to reinforce it more because it might be too heavy, then I'm just gonna get like some sort of like little angle brackets to go right here and put them on each, in between each window underneath to hold it up, like this. Okay, so these are the boards that I got. This is going to be the bottom part of the shelf. And then I got this piece here, which is going to be the front part of the shelf. This one is going to be the back part of the shelf. And this is going to be the little divider in here that's going to separate where the wires are going to lay down through here. Let's hope this fits. Ugh. It's pretty heavy. Okay. So, that should be just right. Got my little channel here. It's not completely glued. Should be enough. Okay, how am I gonna do this? So much easier if I had 2 people. Okay, take my shoes off. Get serious here. So this end end I can put up here. This end I can maybe prop up this part. Let's get these up. Prop it. Okay. Okay. See. Chaos and pandemonium. I want you guys to see. Hey. My little wire channel, my little wire trough. Genius. Okay, so now I'm at a crossroads. First I had put the whole box together like you've seen. Then I couldn't reach the back panel to attach it up there. So I had to take it back off. But while that brief moment that I was up there, I was kind of like, I don't know if I like it or not, because now it's too much white. With this right up against here, after I get this other panel up here, it's just gonna be too much white. Show you. I don't know. It's not horrible. Maybe I'm gonna take a couple pictures and then I can figure it out better that way. Sit back and stare at it. Or put the other matching color up there, which is this board. And it's a lot shorter too. Like that. I don't know. Help me decide. Well, probably by the time you guys see this video, I'll have already picked one of the other. So tell me which one you liked best anyways. This lighter wood or the white. Okay guys, it's nighttime now and I just put the LEDs up there. Check this out. That looks so good. Okay, so now I'm going to put this piece up here and I only got one shot to get this right. So I want to measure from here to here and then from here to here so I can go around this. You guys can see that or not, but that should get me right around the shower and fit in there nice and snug. Cross my fingers. forgot to take into account that damn piece of wood right there, so I can't push it all the way back. Oh God, what a pain in the ass. This side looks good though. Okay, it's about ready to rain too, so I'm trying to hurry up and get this shit done, and I have all the wood in here. Because of that, I'm trying to be careful not to snap these pieces off here because they're very thin and brittle, and if I bend it too much, it'll just snap right at the seam here. I'm gonna try to just cut it in here real quick. About 5 inches. Kids, do not try this at home. Oh my God, this is heavy. No way I'm gonna be able to do that. Fuck. Too much shit in the way. Shit everywhere. Everywhere. This might be manageable. Use quick. I can do this. Probably would have been easier just to take the damn thing out at this point. I gotta work up the motivation in my bicep to hold it up for 2 seconds. That's all I need to hold it up for. Okay. Okay, that was easy. Not. That was so freaking difficult. As you can see, this stuff is pretty flimsy and delicate around the edges there if you kind of bend it the wrong way. And so yeah, it'll do. I'm okay with it, and it still looks like it's bending in some areas, but that's because the roof is bending in those areas too. So anyways, I'll get some trim and I'll put it right here, cover up this area, and I'm not gonna put any trim on this side, I don't think. I may, you never know, but I'll just cover it up with white paint or those white little round stickers that you put over top of all the screw heads to blend in with whatever you've screwed them into. So this one, I have to redo. My arms are just so fucking tired right now. This on this side cracked a little bit, but that's okay. I can't get it in the hole, ha ha ha. And yeah, all these I kept running into that issue too, but I had to get up and peek in here and direct the screw head into the hole and then drill it in, which took me forever. So anyways, let's look from this end. Looks good, looks good. I'm happy with it. I'm okay with it. Once I get all the trim in and everything and all the little touch-up things done, it'll look good. There. One down, and then I gotta stain another one to go down that way, cover that up. And because I didn't put my screws close enough to each other, there we go, wide angle, it doesn't cover it, so like I'm just going to do with the other ones that's not going to have trim on them, is put the white paint over top of it. And then it'll cover it up just fine. And then, or those little stickers that they make. If I can find like a multi-pack or something, then I can get like the dark brown to put over those, and then the white ones to put over that. If not, I'll just do paint, and then I'll just put a little bit of stain on top of the screw heads, which covers it up fine. I did that on some of the ones in the back, but that kind of gives you an idea how it's going to look.